Good morning, students. In fifth standard, last period we see properties of multiplication fraction. Then, in this period, we see division of fractions. Division of fraction. First one is dividing a fraction by a whole number. Dividing a fraction by a whole number. Dividing a fraction by a whole number. When a fraction is divided by a whole number, then multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. Multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of whole number. For example, once we will see one example. Divide 3/8 by 5. In this point, reciprocal of 5 is, we take reciprocal of given number, that is reciprocal of 5. Reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. 1/5. Then solution 3/8 divided by 5. We take reciprocal, that is 3/8 multiplied with 5. Reciprocal of 5 is 1/5. Then multiplication is, take multiplication as numerator and take multiplication as a denominator. 8 multiplied with 5, that is 3 multiplied with 1, 3, 8 5s are 40. 3/40 is. In the same way, we can divide a whole number by a fraction. 5 is a whole number. To divide 3/8 by 5, we give reciprocal of 5, that is 1/5. Dividing a whole number by a fraction. Second one is dividing whole number by a fraction. Dividing a whole number by a fraction. We take one example. Example is divide 12 by 4/5. Then 12 divided by 4/5. Reciprocal of 4/5, we take reciprocal of 4/5. That is easily we solve. Denominator of 12 we take as a 1 divided by 4 upon 5. Then take multiplication. We get multiplication to numerator and multiplication with denominator. That is 12 follows are take reciprocal of 4 upon 5 is equal to 5 upon 4. Then multiplication, we give multiplication. Denominator of 12 is 1 multiplied with reciprocal of 4 upon 5, that is 5 upon 4. Then take multiplication of numerator. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Then 3 fives are 50 upon 1, that is 50. This is dividing whole number by a fraction. Second one is dividing a fraction by a fraction. Fraction by a fraction. Dividing fraction by a fraction. To divide a fraction to another fraction, find the reciprocal of division, then multiply the numerators and denominators. To divide fraction of fraction by another fraction, find reciprocal of divisor. Find reciprocal of divisor. Find reciprocal of divisor and multiply numerators and denominator. For example is divide 7 upon 11 by 5 upon 33. 7 upon 11 by 5 upon 33. Solution is 7 upon 11 is divided and 5 upon 33 is divisor. This is divisor. Then we have given to divide a fraction by another fraction, find reciprocal of divisor. Then reciprocal of 5 upon 33 is equal to 33 upon 5 and take multiplication as numerator and denominator. Take multiplication. That is 7 upon 11 divided as it is. Take multiplication and reciprocal of 5 upon 33 is 33 upon 5. Then we get division. 11 ones are 11, 11 threes are 33. And take multiplication of numerator, that is 7 multiplied with 3 and 1 multiplied with 5. We get 7 threes are 21 upon 5. This is final answer. Next properties of division of fractions. Last point of this topic. Properties of division of fractions. Properties of division of fraction. Properties of division of fraction. First one is, when a fraction is divided by 1, when a fraction is divided by 1, the question is fraction itself. The question is fraction itself. The question is fraction itself. For example, when a fraction that is 3 upon 8 is divided by 1, the question is fraction itself, that is 3 upon 8. Second example is 4 divided by 9 divided by 1, that is to get fraction itself, that is 4 upon 9. Second property is, when a fraction is divided by itself, when a fraction is divided by itself, the question is 1. The question is 1. For example of this property is, when a fraction is divided by itself, that is 3 by 8 divided by 3 by 8, then take reciprocal of division, that is 3 upon 8, reciprocal of multiplied with reciprocal of division is 8 by 3, 8 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled, division is, question is 1. Next, the third property. The property is, when 0 is divided by, when 0 is divided by a fraction, divided by a fraction, when 0 is divided by a fraction, the question is 0. The question is 0. When 0 is divided by a fraction, the question is 0. For example of this property, 0 is divided by any fraction, fraction is 5 upon 9, then we will get question is 0. Second example is, 0 is divided by 8 upon 5, question is 0. Next, solve exercise 4.5. solve the exercise 4.5. In the homework, here we finish our fourth topic. Next lecture we start from our next chapter, fifth chapter. Fifth chapter name is decimal. We start from next period. Okay, thank you.